KLG. Look around. See? This is Navarre Beach. Thought you might want to see Navarre Beach. And Florida, of course. It's the beach on the other side of our house, the same distance from Pensacola Beach. And this is where they filmed most of the movie Dogs too. Hello, birds. It's a short episode. There's KLG. It's his last day on vacation.
How you doing?
And of course I'm Fuzzy. And I'm Randy, and you can see me. It's white sand, see? And these pigeons. See those pigeons together. What's this world coming to? There's the sand in the water. And that's the longest pier in the Gulf of Mexico. Right there, Navarre Pier. Navarre Pier. Yep. And there's all the condos and hotels and stuff where you can stay and look out over that. I'm not playing with the zoom button. We're just looking around and stuff. See, there's the water tower over there. There's a lifeguard stand right there. These prints. Don't know what the hell animal may be. Kind of weird looking. But anyway, that's the Navarre Beach. And I'm with BLT. I'm BLT. I'm Marty. That's KLT. That's LAT. And that's the Navarre Beach. Florida. See you next time, folks. Bye. This is the other side of the pier now. We've walked down a ways. Still Navarre Beach. I heard you. Look at the waves. See those? See them waves? You see that shit? I can zoom in. Zoom in. Yeah, look at the waves. Zoom out. Isn't that cool? And there's another of the, what do you call them? Condos and hotels. Rooms and stuff, and I'm getting attacked. Water. But that goes all the way down to Pensacola Beach over that way. And we don't know where it goes over that way. We're not sure. And there's some of the dunes and the sea oats and stuff. All that good crap. You can see some kite surfers way out there. I don't know if I can get that far. Zoom all the way in. Zoom in, eh? That's as far as I can zoom. You might be able to see kite surfers. I can't see the monitor. They're out there. Way off in the distance, out that way. Zoom back.
Wow, it's bright out.
Yes, it is. Zoom back. Yeah, that's all the condos and stuff. Navarre Beach, Florida again still. Just doing segments, and I'll see if I can lace them together and get them to work. So there you go.
It makes shit.